Hello everyone, my name is Rani Angrini and my study ID number 233111035, and today I will talk about data collection techniques, which are the method research used to collection information for a study. This topic is very important because choosing the right data collection techniques help us get accurate and reliable results. By the end of this video, you will understand what data collection techniques are, the types of data, for common techniques, and how to choose the best one for your research. Let's start it. Before we begin, here our learning objective. After watching this video, you should be able to understand the meaning of data collection techniques, identify the difference between quantitative and qualitative data, explain four common data collection techniques, and know how to choose the most suitable techniques based on your research goals. So please watch until the end because each part is connected. What are data collection techniques? First, method used by researchers to obtain information to answer research question. 2. Data can be numbers, opinion, behavior, document, or record. 3. The chosen techniques must match the research goals and recommended data. Types of data. Qualitative data numbers. Examples: total score, percentages, rating commonly collected using questionnaire test. Qualitative data. Description. Examples: opinions, experience, behavior commonly collected using interview and observation. Can be combined, mixed method. The first technique is observation. Observation is a data collection method where the research directly watches an object, situation, or behavior. This technique is useful when we want to see real action or process in natural setting. For example, observing student study habits in class or observing how to survey workflow runs in an office. The advantage of observation is that it provides real data based on actual conditions. However, it can be time-consuming, and there is also the risk of observer bias if the research is not objective. The second technique is the interview. An interview is a method of collecting data by asking questions and having a conversation with participants to get deeper information. Interviews can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. For example, interviewing students about challenges in online learning, or interviewing employees about job satisfaction. The advantage of interviews is that they produce rich and detailed data, and the research can explore and answer further. However, interviews require good communication skill, and the answer might be subjective depending on the participant. The third technique is the questionnaire. Also called a survey, a questionnaire is a set of questions given to many respondents, either using online tools like Google Forms or using paper. This method is suitable for quantitative research because it can gather data from many people efficiently, and the results are easy to analyze using statistics. Examples include a user satisfaction survey for an application or a survey about student learning interests. The advantages are speed, large sample size, and easy analysis. The limitations are that some respondents might answer carelessly, and sometimes the response rate can be low. The fourth technique is documentation. Documentation means collecting data from exciting materials such as report, photo, videos, archive, or official records. For example, using attendance and grades record, or using sales report. The main advantage of documentation is that the data is already available, which saves time and effort. However, the limitations are that the data might be incomplete, outdated, or not fully relevant to the research need. So researchers must carefully select and vary the document. Now, how do we choose the right technique? First, we need to mention the technique with the research objective. Second, consider the type of data we need, number or description. Third, consider the example size. Do we need data from a few people or many respondents? 4. Consider time and budget limitation. Lastly, to increase the validity of the research, we can combine techniques such as using a questionnaire plus interview or observation. This is called triangulation, and it helps make the data strong and more reliable. To include, data collection techniques are the method used to obtain information for research. The 4 common techniques are observation, interview, questionnaire, and documentation. And each one has its own strength and limitation. Therefore, researchers should choose the techniques that best match the research goals and data requirements. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.